Anyways. Just toss 30 quartz into the void.
Easy. Not even hard. Oh, that's a cute CE.
Yeah. I swear, I get to see so much.
Anyway.
What the fuck, dude? No way!
I told you, it's not even hard, my guy! I told you.
That's so fucked up!
It's free! Why does this always happen when I'm here?
I don't know.
Let's you save it!
What the hell?
Not even hard, my guy.
I haven't even seen this art of her before.
He's a freaking nerd.
私はトネリコ。雨の国の魔女、トネリコ。植物系の魔術は苦手ですが、敵を倒す魔術、争いに備える魔術。
Yeah, meanwhile, I pulled literally to pity with Saber.
That's unfortunate.
I lead others to a gift I can, or whatever Red Skull said.
Wait, who do you go to pity for?
Oberon.
Oh, yeah.
And that was after like 600 quartz for Koyanskaya.
Well, Pog.